Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the widgets on this smart band. First, let me show you how to access the widgets on the smart band. So, let's wake up the screen by tapping on it, and then when you're on the home screen, the current watch face, you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets. And here we have the weather and the music widget. And we can customize this list. To do it, you will need to open the application on the phone that is paired with your smart band, the Mi Fitness application. Once you open the application, tap on the device icon, and here you should see the device page for your Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Now, scroll down, find the option called Widgets, and tap on it. And here we can do a couple of things. We can add the widget to the list, remove the widget from the list, and change the order of the widgets. If you want to add a widget, simply tap on the plus button next to the widget you want to add, like this. If you want to remove the widget, simply tap on the minus button next to the widget you want to remove. And if you want to change the order of the widgets, you can simply press and hold on the sorting button next to the widget you want to move. This is the sorting button, and once you grab it, come on, like this, you can move it up and down on the list and then release it in the place you want it to be in. And once you're done customizing the widgets, you can close the application. And now let's wake up the screen, swipe left, and as you can see, here we have the blood oxygen widget, then the weather, and the heart rate. Basically the way as we customized it. And that's how you customize the widgets on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.